Nana and Brady having a sword fight. Nana is a stormtrooper, and Brady is Bumblebee Transformer with a Darth Vader sword. Hi, Bumblebee. Oh, Nana won! Lay down and die.
Bumblebee, you have to lie down and kick your feet.
Uh-oh, his sword's getting smaller. It's getting smaller. Oh, Stormtrooper Nana. Bumblebee is victorious.
You can be Bumblebee this time, and I can be Stormtrooper this time. And I'm gonna win.
I might not get out.
Yeah, I know.
I don't know about how Bumblebee's gonna fit me. Let's try.
That one hurts my nose. See, that one is adult size. The Stormtrooper one is kid and adult.